If I don't want 16 steps and I only want 8, that's also an option. I can go Shift, Last, and change it to 8. I might want to create a really short pattern, in which case I've moved it to 8, I hit Exit and press play. And you can see the sequencer is only going to the 8th trigger. If I want longer or even shorter, I can change that again. Shift Last. Maybe I only want 4. Or maybe I want to change time signature. There's a really fast 5/4. Which brings me to an interesting point about time signature. There's a few ways of doing that, and I'm going to show you the first way using the same last button, or Shift Last. So let's try 6 and see what happens. I can also do multiples of 6, so let's try 12, see what happens. Exit. So that's one way of changing time signature. Instead of being in multiples of 4, I could be in multiples of 3 or multiples of 5, and I start creating different time signature fields. In the next video, I'll show you another way to change the time signature.